Hello, welcome back. In this video, we'll be showing you some of the few ways in which you can create a data frame in Python. There are diverse ways in which you can create a data frame in Python. In this video, I'll be taking you through some of these ways or this method of creating a data frame in Python. So let's begin. First and foremost, let's import pandas as PD. Now it could be pandas as whatever name you want to use there. I just decided to use PD. It could be pandas as CD, it could be pandas as XUV or whatever you want to use there. Then once you import pandas as PD, then the next thing you need to do, or one of the first way we want to create a data frame, we'll be looking at creating a data frame by importing that data set as we will be reading our dataset as a CSV file using the read function in Python. So we'll be using that data dot read underscore the C the CSV is the CXV file and bracket open bracket close. Now this is my dataset. My dataset here, I have the names and the list of some people, their salary, and the column for commission, and the column for commission is salary, and this is their first name. Okay, and this is the name of the the Excel spreadsheet is a staff, but it's a CSV file. It is saved in the C. Okay, okay. This one is this. We can save as a CSV file. Okay, CSV file and save as this a CSV file. Now you can see instead, do I want to overwrite it? So no. So I already have a CSV file in that folder. So I'll be using that. I'm going to type the staff dot the extension name CSV. Okay, we forgot to put that's the file name. Now I'm going to save it in an object known as data frame. Let me just call that data frame. So I'm going to print the data frame. This is the data frame. So let's run this. If everything is done properly, you can see data frame, the number of rows and column. Another way of creating a data frame is we've used the read function. Another way of creating a data frame is using the data frame. So we can also use the data frame is equal to PD dot this time around we're going to use the data frame function. Okay, now we are going to use the data frame function. So what we want to import now, but first and foremost, we have to bring in our dataset. So I have my dataset here in a notepad. So the second way of creating a data frame is using the Python dictionary. Okay, I'm just going to copy this line of code. I'm going to paste it here. Okay, I'm going to paste that here. That's a Python dictionary, and the name is the weather record. All I need to do is to paste that here and use the data frame. Okay, well, when I do this, I can run this line of code, and that creates the data frame. So that's the second method of creating a data frame. So another method of creating a data frame is let me simply copy this. That method of creating a data frame is data frame. That method of creating a data frame is using the tuple list. This is a tuple list. So I have a similar data set already here, and I just need to copy that. Now, when you take note of when you look at the tuple list, in the tuple list you can see I don't have the column headings unlike what I had in the Python dictionary where I have the headings here. So therefore, because of that, in the to list, I have to create the headings. So I'm going to say columns. Okay, I'm going to call that columns is equal to, okay, the first one is, let's call that the date. Then the next is the temperature. Then the next is the wind. Okay, that's the wind speed. After the wind speed, the next is event. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, okay, that's the event. Now, I haven't done all this. We can just run that. Okay, let's edit this. Okay, let's try this one more time again if everything is done properly. So in 22 line 11. Data frame because of PD data frame columns is equals to, okay, now we've we've rectified the error. So there's a second way of creating data frame. So the now the second way of creating the data frame in now the third way of creating the data frame in pandas. So let me get the last way of creating the data frame in pandas. Is in the dictionary list. So you can see in using the dictionary list you have the column heading, then the data set, the column heading the data set. This is the second column heading the data set, the column heading the data set, then the third column heading the data set, the third column heading the data set, the fourth column heading in the data set. So that's the last way of creating a data frame in Python. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe. If you are yet to subscribe to our social media channel, our Instagram channel, our TikTok channel, and our Facebook channel. Thank you for watching.